Let's be real, networking feels fake sometimes. Like you're supposed to say right things, you're supposed to name right people, and show up everywhere. But no one tells you the most powerful tool about networking is authenticity. There's one quote on networking as well that is, your network is your net worth. You can just become millionaire, billionaire by hanging out with the right set of people. आप जैसे लोगों के साथ रहते हो, जो आपकी संगति होती है, you become like them. आप 5 ऑथर्स के साथ हो तो आप छठे बन जाओगे. If you are with 5 non-vegetarian people, you will be the 6th one. Networking is a non-negotiable in today's era. Now imagine this. आप एक दिन उठते हो और आपके पास मैसेज आता है ग्रुप पर एक इमेज के साथ में दैट यू आर फीचर्ड ऑन नैस्डैक टाइम्स स्क्वायर यूनाइटेड किंगडम. हाउ वुड यू रिएक्ट? मतलब तुम सुबह सो करके ही उठे हो, तुमने मैसेज देखा, यू आर लाइक व्हाट, ये सच में ऐसा है? दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट हैपेंड विद मी इन जनवरी 2023. एक रैंडम सा मेल आया वेयर आई वाज इनवाइटेड एज अ गेस्ट ऑन अ पॉडकास्ट, और ऐसी 2 चीजें और भी हुई. अचानक से मुझे एक मेल आया दैट वी वांट यू टू को-ऑथर इन आवर बुक. ऑल्सो आई रिमेंबर देयर वाज वन पर्सन ऑन माय इंस्टाग्राम दैट सेड there is one of our known who has recommended your name to speak at United Nations Youth Summit. मतलब इतनी सारी चीजें, बट इन सब का कहीं कुछ लिंक नहीं है. बट ये सारी चीजें सिर्फ एक चीज की वजह से हुई, दैट इज कॉल्ड नेटवर्किंग. In this video, I'll share every single thing with you that will help you start achieving your wildest dreams. In this video, I'm not just going to share feel good stories, but also all the strategies, all the mindset shifts that you need to know to start from scratch. सबसे पहले I'll walk you through following things in this particular video. First one is about my journey, how I started with zero connections. When I started, I was just 11th grade student with almost 40-50 followers. That too were my friends and family. That's how I've built. That's how I have started. मैं वो सारी strategies सब कुछ आपके साथ में share करने वाली हूँ. So in this video, I'll walk you through my journey because I get so many DMs and messages on LinkedIn that how I got the opportunity to co-author in an international book, to get featured on Times Squares. All of these things मैं हर एक चीज के बारे में आपको बताऊंगी from the very beginning. Next, we'll talk about the mindset shifts that are very much important for you to know because whenever you have to achieve any goal, it's 70% about the mindset, 20% about the people or the surroundings you are in, and the 10% is strategy. So it's very important for you to know all the mindset shifts and traits that will help you in your journey. And the secret ingredient, no confidence, no strategy, but raw authenticity. Being relatable is 10x more powerful than sounding impressive. The biggest mistakes I used to make in my journey of networking, and the most important practical steps that anyone can follow today and start networking without being extroverted or salesy. Let's get started with my journey. तो ये वाला part I will cover in Hindi because I feel उससे you'll be able to relate more with my story. So all of this started in 11th standard. It's November 2020. I was in 11th standard and I came on Instagram on 15th or 16th November of 2020. I remember it was Diwali. दिवाली थी, मतलब दिवाली के एक हफ्ता आगे पीछे की बात है. 2020 में मेरे क्लास के सारे बच्चे इंस्टाग्राम पे थे और वो इंस्टाग्राम की बातें करते थे, तो मेरे को काफ़ी लेफ्ट आउट फील होता था. Also, there was one senior in my school who approached me who was like, Sanju, you should come on Instagram. We are doing Instagram live with international people and your communication skills are very good. So we want you to host our guest on Instagram live. I was like, wow, मैं बहुत खुश थी. But when I joined Instagram, जब मैंने वहाँ पे start किया, Instagram account बनाया, then I was like, fine. But I will do it no matter what. So I started DMing all the people जो भी मेरे feed में आते थे, foreign के लोग. बस इतना मैं कॉमन देखती थी कि वो बुक्स वगैरह रीड करते हो, क्योंकि मुझे इनके माइंडसेट पे जानने में बहुत इंटरेस्ट है. मतलब रैंडम पीपल, एक को अप्रोच किया, देखा उसके फॉलोइंग में और कौन कौन है, उन सबको अप्रोच करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. दैट्स हाउ आई स्टार्टेड अप्रोचिंग 40-50 पीपल. लाइक आई अप्रोच्ड 50 पीपल अराउंड and I got connected with 30 people. मैंने 30 Instagram लाइव किए थे with international people who were authors, who were readers, and वो इन्हीं चीज़ों से सराउंडेड थे. इस तरीके से I started networking. मुझे और कुछ भी नहीं था. Randomly I connected with them. I started interviewing them, started asking them like basic questions, random questions without any agenda, without any goal कि ठीक है मुझे ये लोग जाने और एनीथिंग लाइक कुछ भी इंटेंशन नहीं था. इट वाज जस्ट लाइक कि मुझे कैसे किसी ने घोस्ट किया, आई विल डू द सेम थिंग विदाउट हिज सपोर्ट. सो दैट्स हाउ इट ऑल स्टार्टेड. एंड आई मेट समवन, मतलब वो इंस्टाग्राम लाइव में नहीं, मैंने एक रैंडम पर्सन को होस्ट किया था ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम चैनल. एंड मैंने वहाँ पे उस इंस्टाग्राम में एक बात बोली थी, हम अपने रूटीन्स के बारे में बात कर रहे थे. तो मैंने एक बात बोली थी दैट आई वेक अप एट 12 AM, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे कोरोना वायरस था. आई यूज टू वेक अप एट 12 noon. सो आई सेड कि मैं 12 बजे उठी. एंड शी वॉज लाइक, आप इतने कॉन्फिडेंस से कैसे बोल सकते हो पब्लिकली, मतलब आपको इस चीज़ में बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगता कि आपको ये चीज़ पब्लिकली बोलनी चाहिए. बट मैं बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट है. आई वॉज लाइक ठीक है, मैं 12 बजे उठती हूँ एंड आई एम एक्सेप्टिंग इट, तो मैं पब्लिकली बोल रही हूँ. शी वॉज वेरी मच इम्प्रेस्ड विद द कॉन्फिडेंस, जिस कॉन्फिडेंस से मैंने उस चीज़ को एक्सेप्ट करा था कि मैं 12 बजे उठती हूँ. और इसमें कोई वो बात नहीं है, इट्स नॉट अबाउट व्हेन यू वेक अप, इट्स अबाउट कि आप अपने टाइम को सही से यूटिलाइज कर रहे हो कि नहीं. सो दैट्स हाउ इट स्टार्टेड. एंड दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन recommended my name for United Nations Virtual Youth Summit. और उसके बाद जो बुक में मैंने को ऑथर किया है वो भी उनके थ्रू ही चीज़ें हुई थी. शी गेव मी द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू को ऑथर इन हर बुक, जिसमें अलग अलग कॉन्टिनेंट से, अलग अलग कंट्रीज से पूरी दुनिया के बच्चे थे. हर जगह से मिला करके 12 बच्चों को फीचर किया गया था. एंड आई वॉज अ पर्सन फ्रॉम इंडिया, एशिया से आई वॉज सिलेक्टेड. सो दिस इज हाउ इट स्टार्टेड. एंड दैट बुक गॉट फीचर्ड ऑन यूनाइटेड नेशंस टाइम्स स्क्वायर एज वेल. और उस बुक को बहुत सारे अवार्ड्स भी मिले. सो दिस इज हाउ दीज थिंग्स हैपेंड. Also, the jobs that I have done until date, या जिस जॉब में मैं currently भी हूँ, all of them came through referrals. मतलब मुझे किसी ने recommend करा, मेरा name किसी ने वहाँ पे nominate share करा, मेरा name वहाँ पे किसी ने लिया कि you can approach this person for this particular role. So this is how things were happening. मैंने कभी भी किसी person से connect किया था तो it was like okay, that's okay. मतलब कोई intention नहीं था, कोई agenda नहीं था, just raw communication, authentic relationships. That's what my focus was, only thing. And also बहुत important चीज़ that I want to share with you, you are just 5 connections away from your dream person. आप लॉन मस्क से मिलना चाहते हो, आप उनसे सिर्फ 5 कनेक्शन दूर हो. एंड आई रिमेंबर दिस थिंग हैपनिंग विद माई लाइफ बिकॉज ऑफ दैट बुक दैट आई co-authored in. उसकी वजह से I got the opportunity to interact for 20 minutes and ask the questions from Naveen Chan, who is a billionaire in United Kingdom. I also had 20-30 minutes of discussion with Ivan Carmichael, who is a big YouTuber. और उनके I guess 20-30 lakh subscribers हैं, I guess even more than that. He is having 4-5 YouTube channels. I'll just put everything here for you to see all of this. और उस टाइम पे Instagram लाइव का बहुत बड़ा ट्रेंड होता था, तो मेरे को जो भी इन्फ्लुएंसर दिखता था लाइव, I would just jump in their lives. मैं उनसे random conversation करती थी. And that's how I landed on Ankur Warikoo's Instagram live as well. So this is how it started. मतलब I would jump onto their lives. I would jump in people's DMs without any agenda, without anything. I would just enjoy talking to those people. That's how things have been. So this was about my journey. जिस इस तरीके से मेरी सारी चीज़ें स्टार्ट हुई, क्योंकि जब मैंने इंस्टाग्राम स्टार्ट किया था देवर 40-50 फॉलोअर्स ऑन माई पेज एंड इट वॉज माई पर्सनल पेज उस टाइम पर. फिर मैंने उसको पब्लिक करा, देन आई क्रिएटेड माई अनदर प्राइवेट पेज एंड आई स्टार्टेड विद 40-50 कनेक्शंस. वो सारे 40-50 लोग, 40-50 फॉलोअर्स सिर्फ मेरे फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स थे. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द माइंडसेट शिफ्ट्स बिकॉज दीज प्ले द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन योर जर्नी. वेरी फर्स्ट इज give before you ask. Most people approach networking like a transaction. That's why it does not work. People are busy, overwhelmed, and tired of asks. Share someone's content and tag them. Leave insightful comments on their work. Offer a testimonial or support. Instead of asking for help, ask yourself, how can I show up for this person first? The next very important pointer under this heading is be discoverable. You can be brilliant, but no one knows what you do. You'll stay invisible. So it's very important to be discoverable online. Keep your LinkedIn and Instagram updated. Share bit-sized learnings daily. Make your bio clear. Who you help and how. Third, very important, authenticity over everything. In a world obsessed with filters, realness stands out. Don't try to sound perfect. Share the messy middle. यहाँ पे एक और कहानी मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी. So in 2024, I connected on a Google Meet with a company founder. He's running a 100 crore company, and he was like, Sanju, why you are not? Because there are so many people in my network who are running companies, 100 crore companies or something stuff like that. So there was that person who asked me, Sanju, why are you not putting content on social media? I was not doing content thing consistently at that moment. I answered, because I'm going through a really tough phase where I don't want to show this imperfect side of me to people. And then he told me, this is the biggest mistake that you're doing. Don't try to be perfect. Show your authenticity. Show whoever you are. That's where people connect. Recently, मैं काफ़ी सारे failures से गुजरी थी. तो that person told me कि संजू अपने वो सारी चीज़ें भी share करो. Start sharing your learnings. लोग आपसे ज़्यादा connect करेंगे. And that's the time when I learned about this. Talk about failures, not just wins. Let people feel your journey. And that's the reason that people follow Ranveer Alavadia, Ishan Sharma, because they are sharing their lives on social media. लोग इन क्रिएटर्स के साथ, इन इन्फ्लुएंसर्स के साथ बड़े हो रहे हैं. लोगों ने इनकी लाइफ विटनेस करी है. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज स्टे इन टच. मुझे जो मैसेजेस आए, जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज आए, अगर मैं उन लोगों से कनेक्टेड नहीं होती तो शायद मेरे पास वो अपॉर्चुनिटीज आते भी, फिर भी मैं मिस आउट कर देती. 90% ऑफ द पीपल घोस्ट आफ्टर फर्स्ट चैट. Don't be that person. Check in without any agenda. There's one thing that you can do is you can just mark their birthdays in your calendar and you can wish them on their birthday on the social media or through a mail. Next big pointer. Never underestimate power of one meaningful conversation. Every big leap in my life came from one DM, one message, one act of courage, one gesture of kindness without any agenda. Next pointer is networking cannot make you the most famous person overnight. It is a slow process. It's a gradual process. It's a part of life. It's a way of living. It's not कि मैगी में मसाला डाला and it's ready. या फिर पानी में चिया सीड्स रात को डाल के रखे and it's ready. It does not work like that. Now let's talk about the biggest mistakes that you should be avoiding. The very first, sending copy paste messages like, hi, can I pick your brain? Or I need a job. Instead, mention something specific that you like about your content. Make it human, not robotic. Point number 2, thinking networking is only about physical events. To be very frank with you, I myself have attended only couple of physical events in my life, or you can say in my 5 years of career. But that does not mean that I cannot build connections without that. Instead, you can use DMs, comments, emails. Most of my connections happened through online conversations, but they were regular. Next biggest mistake is being transactional. Instead, think long term. A person you engage with today might refer you 6 months later. Treat every situation like a seed, not a deal. Now comes the secret ingredient. That is authenticity. Trust me, it is the most underestimated thing in today's digital era, where people use filters, people put on masks. आपके साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ है, there is person A जिसका आप content देख रहे हो, and A person का content देखते देखते आपको एक B person कुछ ना कुछ याद आ रहा है, ये कहीं तो देखा हुआ लग रहा है, ये कुछ तो याद आ रहा है. That is because that B person was authentic. And A person is trying to copy that B person. Now let's talk about the practical tips, because without execution, without realistic strategy, all of the things that I shared are just fluff. Very first thing, update your socials, be it Instagram, LinkedIn, or any other social media that you use. Make your headline clear. Who you are, what do you do, who you help, how you help them, what are your experiences, what is your expertise. That's your handshake in social media. Comment on 3 posts daily. Not just nice post. Share thoughts, experiences, or questions. Real engagement starts conversations. DM one person weekly. No agenda, just appreciate their work. Share gratitude or check with them. Share 1 post per week, even if you are not doing anything concrete on social medias. Talk about something you learned, struggled, or you are proud of. Vulnerability is magnetic. Send birthday or milestone wishes to ex-teammates, mentors, or clients. No pitch, just a reminder that you care. Reconnect with one old contact daily. Go through your inbox. Someone there could be a door waiting to open. Be consistently real. Don't overthink. Show up with your story. Even if it's not perfect, because we are humans, we are imperfectly perfect. People don't remember what you said. They remember how you made them feel. Final reminder. Networking is not a strategy. It's a way of living. You not grow by what you say, but by how you make people feel. Authenticity is your edge. Not the pitch, not the design, just you. Build bonds, not databases. Your next big opportunity isn't behind a resume, it's behind a relationship. So show up, not as who you think you should be, but as who you truly are. I hope this video was helpful. I tried to make it as realistic as possible. Drop your feedbacks, your inputs in the comment. Also, don't forget to share what you want me to make a next video on. I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe करना मत भूलना.